Did you know that in crypto margin trading, a sneeze can cost you thousands? Imagine this, you're on a high-stakes trade, and a sudden sneeze causes you to hit the wrong button, triggering a massive loss. This quirky fact highlights the extreme sensitivity and risk involved in margin trading, where even the smallest distraction can lead to significant financial consequences. It's a reminder of the importance of focus and precision in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. So, next time you trade, keep tissues handy and stay alert.